Very good morning, everyone. In this video, we will try to see how to solve this fourth question in week 7. Okay, so basically, we'll try to apply extrude command and subtract command in order to get this three-dimensional object. Okay, so we can have a look into the dimension. This is 40, 80, 50, then 60, 20. Okay, and there is a subtraction of size 20 by 25. Okay, let's see how to draw that now. I have already opened this AutoCAD software. Make sure that the units as well as the limits are set in unit should be in millimeter as usual, and click OK. Set the limits as per your requirement. Thousand comma thousand I'm typing. You can see from the diagram, if you start to draw the diagram from the front view, it will be easy for us to get the shape. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to always start from front view. Whichever view you are comfortable, you can start from that view. Okay, in this question, front view will be easier, so that's why I am starting with front view. So change the view to front here, the top left corner, and change the view to 2D wireframe. Okay, so next you use a just line command. One more important thing, make sure that the 3D modeling is enabled here. Okay, so next type line. First point, this length is 40, this length is 80, this is 20, then this side left side again 60, another 20, then join them. Okay, and you just draw another rectangle separately for a size of 25 by 20. Okay, and let's see the diagram again. So this is 20, that is 25. Okay, so you just draw it for 20, this is 25. Okay, now you can just change the view to southwest isometric. Okay, before that, in order to make the components to get extruded, we have to convert the drawn object into a single entity. So you can use this region command for that. So all the individual entities are getting selected. Press enter. Now it got converted into single entity. Similarly for this rectangle, use region command. Okay, and the thickness, it is around 50 mm. Okay, for the rectangle it is 25 mm. For the L shape it is 50 mm. You can see it in the diagram. So before that, I will try to draw a line from the center of this side for a length of 20 mm. Okay, let the line be there. You can see. Okay, now we'll apply extrude command. Select this object, enter, for a thickness of 50 mm. Okay, likewise extrude this rectangle separately. Select the object for a thickness of 25 mm. Okay, now you use move command. Select the object, base point, you select this center, move it here. Okay, I think I have made a mistake. This length has to be 20 mm and this length has to be 25 mm. So I will delete this. Let's construct the rectangle again. Use line command. First point, this is 25 mm. In this direction it is 20 mm. Again 25, and this is 20. Okay, you can use region command. Select all the sides. Okay, now it got converted into single entity. Okay, now what we can do, you can use extrude command. Select the object, extrude for a thickness of 25 mm. Okay, now you use move command. Select the object, select the base point, this center as the base point, and move them to this location. Okay, now you delete this line which is not needed anymore. Now you can use subtract. You can see in the there is an option called subtract. Click on that, select the bigger object always first, press enter, then select the smaller object, enter. You can see the object got subtracted. If you want to see it in the conceptual, you can see, and if you want to see the entire view, you can just hold the shift key, press the scroll button, mouse, and rotate to whatever side you want. Okay, so this is how you have to draw the given constructive solid geometry. I have started from the front view, and I have drawn the shape, extruded it, and then I have drawn a rectangle. Initially I made a mistake. Instead of drawing it as 2520, I done it as 2520. Okay, so I have rectified that mistake at the end. Okay, and then we have used subtract action to remove the unwanted portion from the given drawn geometry. Okay, so we also practice the sum. Thank you.